Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x times square root of y. This is equals to 20 over x times square root of y minus square root of y power 3 and x times y plus y square. This is equals to 9 times y minus x times y square. We will find out the value of x and y where x and y both are belongs to real number. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Here in denominator we have square root of x, so that's why y is greater than 0, and in denominator we have x, then we can say x not equals to 0. Now here equation first is x times square root of y, this is equals to 20 over x times square root of y minus square root of y power 3. Now if we multiplied both sides, x times square root of y, and here if we multiplied by x times square root of y, then x times x is x square, square root of y times square root of y is y, and this is equals to x times square root of y is multiplied by 20 over x times square root of y, then we get 20 minus here square root of y power 3 is multiplied by x times square root of y. Then in left hand side we have x square times y, this is equals to 20 minus square root of y power 3 is multiplied by x times square root of y, then we get x times y power 2. Now if this minus x times square root of y, if we take in left hand side, then we have x square times y plus x times y square, this is equals to 20. In left hand side if we take common here x times y, then here x plus y, and this is equals to 20. Now if we divide both sides x plus y and here x plus y, then this x plus y and this x plus y is cancel out. Then we can say x times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y. Now equation second is xy plus y square, xy plus y square, this is equals to 9 times y minus x times 9 times y minus x times y square. Look carefully left hand side, here if we take common y, then x plus y, and here if we take common y, then here 9 minus xy. Then if we divide both sides y, then this y and this y is cancel out, this y and this y is cancel out, then here we can say x plus y, this is equals to 9 minus xy. Here we know that value of xy is 20 over x plus y, then x plus y, this is equals to 9 minus x times y is replaced by 20 over x plus y. If we apply substitution method and if we substitute x plus y, this is equals to t, then this x plus y is replaced by t and this x plus y is replaced by t, then here t is equals to 9 minus 20 over t, and if we multiplied both side t, then in left hand side t times t is t square, and this is equals to t times 9 is 9 times t minus 20 over t is multiplied by t, then we get 20. If we take all the expression in same side, then t square minus 9 times t plus 20, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of t. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of t. T square minus 9 times t is same as minus 5 times t minus 4 times t plus 20, and this is equals to 0. Here first if we take these two terms, if we take common t, then here t minus 5, and here if we take common minus 4, then here t minus 5, and this is equals to 0. here t minus 5 and here t minus 5. If we take common t minus 5 and then here t minus 4 and this is equals to 0. Here product of t minus 5 to product of t minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we will apply this rule if a times b, this is equals to 0. This implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then we can say t minus 5, this is equals to 0 or t minus 4, this is equals to 0. Then here t is equals to 5 and here t is equals to 4, and we know that t is x plus y, so that's why here x plus y is equals to 5 and here x plus y, this is equals to 4. Now we have two possible values of x plus y. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Here case first, x plus y, this is equals to 5, and we know that x times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y. X times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y. Then x times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y is replaced by 5. Then here 5. This implies x times y, this is equals to 4. Now we have x plus y, this is equals to 5 and x times y, this is equals to 4. This implies y is equals to 5 minus x and this y is replaced by 5 minus x. Then x times and y is replaced by 5 minus x. Then here 5 minus x and this is equals to here 4. This x is multiplied by 5, then we get 5 times x, and this x is multiplied by minus x, then we get minus x square, this is equals to 4. Here if we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 5 times x plus 4, this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of x. X square minus 5 times x is same as minus 4 times x minus x plus 4, this is equals to 0. If we take common x in these two terms, then x minus 4, and here if we take common minus 1, then here x minus 4, this is equals to 0. Here x minus 4 and here x minus 4. If we take x minus 4 is common, then here we can say x minus 1 and this is equals to 0. Product of x minus 4 and x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then x minus 4, this is equals to 0, x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Then value of x is 4 and here value of x is 1, and we know that x plus y, this is equals to 5. X plus y, this is equals to 5 and here x plus y, this is equals to 5. If value of x is 4, then y is 1, and if value of x is 1, then y is 4. So our solution is x comma y is if x is 4, then y is 1, and if x is 1, then y is 4. Now case second, value of x plus y is 4. Case second, x plus y, this is equals to 4, and x times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y. X times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y. Then x times y, this is equals to 20 over x plus y is replaced by 4. Then here 4, x times y, this is equals to 5. Now we have again two equations, x plus y is equals to 4 and x times y, this is equals to 5. This implies y is equals to 4 minus x. Then x times and this y is replaced by 4 minus x. Then here 4 minus x and this is equals to 5. This x is multiplied by 4, then we get 4 times x. And this x is multiplied by minus x, then we get minus x square and this is equals to 5. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus 4x plus 5 and this is equals to 0. Here this is quadratic equation in terms of x. Students, here we will check discriminant of this quadratic because here we will talk about only real solutions. So that's why value of A is 1 and value of B is -4 and value of C is 5. And we know that formula of discriminant is D is equals to B square minus 4AC, where value of B is -4 square minus 4 times A is 1 and C is 5. Here -4 square is 16 minus 4 times 5, that is 20. This is less than 0. Here D is negative, so that's why X does not belongs to real number. We have two solutions only, that is if X is 4 then Y is 1 and X is 1 then Y is 4. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel and thank you.